Okay. All right, now look on the directions right here. Look right here. It says to put the screws right where?
Here.
Okay, where's that at? It's right here.
Right there.
Okay. Get your screwdriver. Yeah, you want to make sure everything is lined up. Hold on.
You want to do it. And then do it too.
Yeah. Okay, there you go. Now screw it in.
Okay.
Screw it in. Don't do it so rough. Just screw it in to where it's just grabbing just a little bit. Okay, that's good. That's good. Take the other one and put it down in there like that one. Like you did that one. Screw that one in. Is it getting tight? Okay. Screw it down until it gets tight. Okay, that's good. Get the other one and put it down in there and dip it down in that one. Demetrius, you paying attention?
No.
Why not? You're gonna mess up the parts. You have to put the parts back right where we can find them, because we're trying to put stuff together.
It's getting tight.
Okay, is it tight? Let me see. Okay, yeah, get the other one, put the other one on there. Yeah, get the other one, put it on there. So it doesn't come off. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, stick the other one in there.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Move that out your way. Okay, now tighten it down.
Yeah.
Putting together an engine. Yeah. Okay, it should be tight.
Yeah.
All right.
Wait.
Let me see. Let me see. Is everything tight? Yeah. It's tight. Torque it down some. It's tight. Okay. So you on step 6. What does step 6 say?
Okay.
Start from here at the top. Step 6. What is all this right here? These are your parts. Damaris's?
Yeah.
Get this part right here.
Where is it?
Diamond,
Yes.
read the directions so he know what part to get.
Place the head gasket on top of the cylinder block. Screw the cylinder block to the top of the upper pancreas.
Okay, Damaris's, get this right here. Give it to your sister because she needs it. Okay. Now what does it say do?
Okay. Oh, it says.
Read the directions again.
Place the head gasket on top of the cylinder block. Screw the cylinder block to the top of the upper crankcase.
Okay. So you want to make sure that these heads of the piston go inside of these. So put them on top. They're not going to go. You're going to have to leave them like that. And then you're going to have to try and get it in there the best way you can. Yeah, see?
Okay.
Now, hold on. That's mismatch. It's not even aligned. You have to make sure everything is aligned up. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Because you're screwing things in. Okay. Now, How many screws do you need? How many screws? Look up here. This is your diagram.
6.
You need 6 screws. Okay, get 6 screws. Damaris, what you doing, buddy? Put the screws up here on the blueprint so you don't knock them off, so you can see everything. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, you don't know picture.
This is a part of mechanical engineering, okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have 6.
Okay. All right, well, it says, what is this right here? What is that? What does that say this is?
Head gasket.
Okay, Damaris,
Yeah.
go get daddy this right here. Go get me that. It's over there. It's over there.
This?
Yeah, go get me that. No, that's not it. It's over there. It looks like a piece of paper. Go over there and get it.
This?
Damaris, you have to get out the chair and go over there. No, it's this right here. This right there. Get the head gasket. This is the head gasket. Right here. You see this? This is the gasket. Get that. Bring it over here.
Fun.
Bring it over here. It's fun. You like this?
Yeah.
Well, we do get something else to build. Okay, this is the head gasket. You see, Damaris? Look. You see this? This is the head gasket. It goes on top of there. Okay? So this is your cylinder block. This is the cylinder block right here. And this is your head
like
gasket.
the outline of a circle.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the block. This is the top. This is the top part of it where everything sits in. So get your screws. You have to get your gasket. Put your gasket on. Okay. Read the directions so you can see how to put the gasket on.
Wait, what step are we on?
It goes on top of the cylinder block. This is the cylinder block. This is the blueprint. You have to look at it. Okay?
Oh, like the little holes, like the one side.
You have to punch those out. Punch those little holes out so you can see what you're doing.
It looks like a vitamins.
Look like vitamins.
And punch all of them out.
So you can see, because it has to be 6 holes, because you got 6 screws that have to go through there.
Oh, first 6 holes.
Diagram says you need, six screws.
One more to go.
Don't tear up the gasket, or you'll lose compression in your engine. All right, put it on top.
Put it on top. Wait, I think I missed one. I think you just missed one. There. You put now here for it. This is it. You're not done yet either.
Line everything up. You have to make sure everything is lined up.
Okay. Oh. What's this?
Okay, Dominique, this is what we're gonna do. Get your screws.
Okay.
Oh, no. You have to put the gasket on there. You can't take that off. That has to go on there. Hold on.
Right.